How to remove background from your photo on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you two different ways on how you can remove background from your photo. So the first method is the easy method. So what you'll have to do is simply go to your photos and then select the photo of which you want to remove the background. So for now, I'll simply choose this photo right over here. Now once you've chosen the photo, all you have to do is simply long press on your object and then wait for iPhone to cut out the photo. Now as you can see, I've simply cut out the photo, and as you can see, the background has already been removed. Now you will be able to place this anywhere. So for now, I'll simply send it on my WhatsApp. Now as you can see, the background has been successfully removed, and then simply tap on the option send. Now that is one way on how you can remove background from your photos. Now the other method is simply going to your photos. After that, select the photo and then tap on this share icon which is in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and then go to save to files. Now choose a particular folder where you want to save your photo to. So for now, I'll simply choose to this photo folder right over here. Now once you've done that, go to your files. After that, simply locate that folder over there. Now with this method, you will be able to remove background from multiple photos at once. So simply select the photos by tapping this select icon. So for now, I'll simply choose two photos. After that, tap on these three dots on the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the option remove background. And there you have it. So that is basically how you remove background from photos on your iPhone. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.